Welcome to the spoken tutorial on displaying contents using views. In this tutorial, we will learn about views, a page with teaser, and a simple block view. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux operating system, Drupal 8, and Firefox web browser. You can use any web browser as per your choice. First, let us learn about views. Views is used for displaying a collection of similar content. Views can be displayed in various formats such as tables, lists, gallery, etc. It can select, order, filter, and present our contents based on the criteria we define. Views are essentially reports or query results as known in other software. For example, if you go to a library and ask the librarian for a stack of books with the following criteria: published before 1905, whose author's last name starts with M, where the book has 100 or more pages, and the covers are red, you will be sent out of the library for asking that. But in Drupal, it can be done very easily with views. We have a simple 5-step process for setting up our views. The workflow of views is: choose your display, set your format, figure out your fields, apply a filter, and then sort the results. Now let us open our website which we created earlier. Let's learn to create the standard views on a simple Drupal site. Click on Structure and then click on Views. Drupal has many built-in views. For example, the content views allow administrators to administer the content. Same thing with custom block library, files, front page, people, recent comments, recent content, taxonomy terms, who's new, and who's online. These are all views that come with Drupal which we can update or edit. First, we will create a simple page with teasers. It will be a landing page for our events content type. Click Add New View and let's name it as Events Sponsored. Change the content of type from All to Events and sort it by as Newest first. Click Create a Page. Leave display format as Unformatted List of Teasers. This is because we've already set up the teaser mode in our Manage Display. Check Create a Menu link. Then under the menu drop-down, choose Main Navigation. This will help us to see all the events that we have added to our site. Click Save and Edit. Now we have access to the screen that we mentioned in the introduction. This screen displays a page whose format is an unformatted list of teasers. We don't need any fields here because we have set up our teaser mode. The filter criteria is published events, and the sort criteria is the publication date in descending order. If we scroll down, we can see a quick preview here. If you don't like this, it's simple to change. We'll cover that in another tutorial. For now, let us click on Save. Click on Back to Site. We have a new tab in the main menu called Events, with a listing of all our events. Here are all the event logos with different shapes and sizes. We have the event website and the event date. Remember, we can update this in our teaser mode for the events content type if we want to change it. That's it. This is the landing page for all of our events. One of the key features in Drupal is the ability to place information in the block regions or sidebars of our website. Previously, if we added a new event, we would have to come out on the sidebar on every page that it's on and update the sidebar. Now, Views updates our content automatically. Click on Structure and then on Views. Since we are coming back here a lot, let's add it to our shortcuts by clicking the star. Now click on Add New View. In the view name, type Recent Events Added. This will be a list of the latest events we've added to our site. Now change content of type from All to Events. Choose Create a Block. Leave the sorted by as newest first. In block title, type Recently Added Events just to show that we can have a different name and title. Drupal allows us to create different styles of views. We will leave this as an unformatted list of titles with 5 items per block. Don't check Use a Pager. If we do, we will get page numbers like page 1 of 3, 2 of 3, etc. at the bottom of our block. Click Save and Edit. Let's look at our preview. It displays a list of titles of the most recently added events. Here we can see that it displays a block. Format is an unformatted list. Fields are the title fields, and the filter criteria is the published events in descending order of their publication date. Let's click Save. This will not show up anywhere because we haven't placed the block yet. Click on Structure and Block Layout. Let's place the block in the sidebar first region. Click on Place Block. When we scroll down, we can see the block called Recent Events Added. Click Place Block. Since we haven't learnt about blocks in detail yet, we will just click Save for now. It will show up on every page. We will edit that later. It's going to appear in the order after search. Click Save Blocks. Click Back to Site. And we have a new block on every page that gives us the most recently added events on our site. There's no need to configure this again. You can place it wherever you want and it will always be up to date. So that's an example of a block view using our events content type in publication date order. With this, we come to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned about views, a page with teaser, and a simple block view. This video is adapted from Acquia and OS Training and revised by Spoken Tutorial Project, IIT Bombay. The video at this link summarizes the Spoken Tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT, Ministry of Human Resource Development, and NVLI, Ministry of Culture, Government of India. This is Varsha Venkatesh signing off. Thanks for joining.